Meaning of homely.
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 Homely. The word homely has a few different meanings depending on the context. However, its most common interpretation is having a simple and cozy appearance or atmosphere, often relating to a person's house or physical appearance. It can also mean lacking elegance or refinement or unattractive in appearance. In general, it implies a sense of comfort, familiarity, and warmth. For example, a homely living room might have comfortable furniture, warm colors, and family photos on the walls, while a homely person might be someone who is approachable and friendly, but not necessarily conventionally attractive.